Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to count objects in a video? Well, today I'm going to show you just that using Ultralytics. We will break it down from setting up the tools to show it in action. Then you will be able to leverage it in your AI or computer vision projects. So stick around because at the end of this video you will be able to take your video analysis to next level. First, let's see the result of bottle counting for different kind of bottles. The first one is counting the sunflower bottles. The next one is another kind of bottle. This is the bigger kind of bottle that is counting. And the next one is the water bottle. So I run the code in Google Colab. So let's first choose GPU and then we install the Ultralytics. Meanwhile, I put the video to Google Colab. So while it's installing Ultralytics, I would like to go through the code. First, we read the video and write the result on a video, and then we define a line with 2 points. The first one is 340, 130, and the next point is 340 and 500. So it starts from the top left and then goes to right part with the 340 pixel and then 130 down. So this will be around the middle of the video, in the middle of the screen, and this is the vertical line since the x points are the same but the y are different, and you should pay attention that it should pass the center of the object through this line. If the line is not crossing the center of the object, it won't count it. So first have a look where the center of the bottle or your object is located, and then define this line after that. And after the center cross this line, it will count one bottle object. We have around 80 objects that it can detect, and one of them is bottle. You can also find other objects in the video, around 80 objects at the same time. So let's run the next part. So it has started detecting the object and the bottles, and it has started counting them. The result, the name would be output bottle.avi, and this is the output, but it's not complete yet since it's running. So it's finished counting the objects. So the result is in output bottle.avi, and I then download it to see what is the result. So let's wait till it's complete. Okay, it's downloaded, and let's open it. Yes, as you can see, it counts the bottles very fast and very accurate. It's counting in this part, bottles 39, 40, 42, 3. You can find these objects, 80 objects here in Coco dataset. For example, 0 is person, 1 bicycle, car, traffic light, beer, zebra, giraffe, backpack, and up to pizza, chair, laptop, and the last one is toothbrush. So the bottle, let's find the bottle is 39. That's why I put here the class 39. If you, for example, want to find person as well, here the person code is 0, so you just add here, okay, 39 and 0. Then it starts to count the persons as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you find it interesting, please share, like, and subscribe. If you have any question, please write it in a comment. See you in next video.